Let us always remember her. Ladies and gentlemen, Laurel Lance, the Black Canary.
Felicity.
We saw it.
Why didn't Oliver fight back? Sorry, really don't question.
Okay, well, can we track the van?
No, they shut down traffic cameras.
And there are no satellites over the area. We're blind.
Okay, well, if the SCPD van was legit, then the police are gonna be no help.
Well, maybe this is a job for Speedy. Can you suit up and hit the streets for intel?
Can you maybe try to hack into the police department and see if there's any internal chatter we can go on?
Gentlemen and lady, this is not personal. I know it feels personal, but it is not. You are all here as in means to an end. I finally figured out a way to make politicians useful.
You want the green arrow?
Ooh. Your Honor.
Listen, the green arrow's not coming. You're wasting your time.
Just for the fun of it, how is it that you know so much about Mr. Arrow?
I have it on pretty good authority that he's tied up right now.
Are you his buddy?
I have connections. And listen, you let these people go, and I'll make something happen. Do we have a deal?
No, we most certainly do not. I don't need your help, Mr. Mayor. Do you think I would go to all this trouble without a plan?
Yeah. But that's because I think you're stupid.
Take Mr. Queen to a quiet place and teach him some manners.